ReduceLROnPlateau fall back to the previous weights with the minimum _ loss. I'm using ReduceLROnPlateau as fit callback to reduce the LR. I'm using patient equals 10 so when the reduction of the LR is triggered the model could be far from the best weights. Is there a way to go back to the minimum _ loss and start the training again from that point with the new LR? Have it since? I can do manually using early stopping and model checkpoint best.hdf5, save _best _ only equals true, monitor equals val _ loss, mode equals min, callbacks, but I don't know if it have since.
Here's a working example following at Murex direction. Model checkpoint callback can be used to update the best model dump. For example, pass the following two callbacks to model fit.
You could create a custom callback inheriting from ReduceLROnPlateau, something along the lines of:
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.